Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside the Nothing X app because that's the cleanest route. First, make sure the case and both earbuds are charged above 30%. Low power can corrupt the reset. Once charged, open Nothing X and confirm your ear one are paired and visible. Tap the device tile and look for device settings. Once there, choose Factory Reset and follow prompts to start. This tells the earbuds to clear pairing data and restore original firmware settings, so you don't have to guess which files to wipe. If you can't access the app, use the manual method. Put both earbuds securely into the charging case and leave the lid open so they stay powered. Then press and hold each earbud's touch sensor simultaneously for about 15 seconds. You'll see the LED pattern change or flash to indicate a reset. Once done, the earbuds will drop all Bluetooth pairings and return to factory mode. Make sure to remove them from your phone's Bluetooth list afterward so you can perform a fresh pairing. Once the reset completes, reopen Nothing X and follow the on-screen pairing flow to set up your ear one as if new. If pairing fails, fully power cycle the case by letting it drain briefly, then recharge, and repeat the reset steps. This clears transient power glitches. If the LED never changes, the earbuds stay unresponsive, or you still see old pairings after repeated attempts, reach out to Nothing support. Hardware faults or corrupted firmware sometimes require service or an official firmware reflash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.